Thanks for joining me out in the garden today. Today we're going to talk about dealing with some caterpillar issues. They always come up around this time of season. We start getting some rain, temperatures are still up and down. We had a period in the garden where it was a little bit too wet, and now this week it's been a little dry, so that fluctuation, we're making the adjustments so there isn't too much moisture. Got a little bit too dry. These are just the kinds of things that can happen out in the garden, and that's the kind of stress that can attract different kinds of pests and issues in the garden. So the first important thing to figure out is, what is the root cause issue of why these pests are in the garden? It's typically comes down to a few simple things. Has there been a moisture issue in the garden? Is there an issue with nutrients in the garden? Or is it a sunlight issue in the garden? It's definitely not sunlight, so we know that's not the problem. But we've really narrowed it down, so as long as we address that root cause issue, within a couple of pest treatments, you should be able to resolve the issue, and the caterpillars that we're dealing with today, or whatever the issue is, will go away. So that's our theory that we always base our decisions on. So today we have some caterpillars